What if I told you, one misconfiguration could silently expose hundreds of systems and almost nobody notices it? Today we're talking about CVE 2026-21643, a critical SQL injection vulnerability in FortiClient EMS. This vulnerability exists in the administrative interface and allows an unauthenticated attacker to execute unauthorized commands just by sending specially crafted HTTP requests. It has a CVSS score of 9.1, which makes it critical. And the impact is serious: full command execution on the target system. The most dangerous part: no authentication is required, meaning anyone can potentially exploit it remotely. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works in real time, so let's go. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and research purposes only. All demonstrations are performed on authorized or test targets. Unauthorized access, exploitation, or misuse of vulnerabilities is illegal and strictly discouraged. The creator is not responsible for any misuse of this information. Let's learn hacking ethically. For this demonstration, I'm using my custom PoC from my GitHub. Everything, templates, PoC, and tools that can help in bug hunting will be uploaded here. So make sure to check it out. Let's see.